How's it going, guys? Brad here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix lag spikes or slow connection in Marvel Rivals if you're experiencing these. So like say you get like interrupted connection or like I said lag spikes or something like this. What you can do is you can try a couple of things. First, you can try to change your let's see here, your server. And what you can do is you can try to change it to somewhere closer or try to see if there are any that would be better for you. Another thing you can do is try to, reset your Wi-Fi, maybe move it closer to your device, maybe get a Wi-Fi extender or anything like that. And another thing I would highly suggest that you do is to get an Ethernet cable or an Ethernet cord and plug it into the back of your console. And so that it's directly connected to your internet. And if not, try to, maybe, restart your Wi-Fi or your router or anything like that and see if that helps. But yeah, those are a couple ways that you can fix lag spikes or, connection failures in Marvel Rivals. So I hope that was helpful. And if it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.